Hi everyone, today we are here in Acubay, Taguig, and I will give you a quick tour of this 4-bedroom brand new house and lot for sale, very near to BGC, more or less around 5 to 10 minutes drive. And if you are looking for a house, this might be the perfect match for a property that you've been looking for. I'll start the tour outside. Let's go. Alright, so everyone, we are now outside the house, and this house has a lot area of 179 square meters and a floor area of 262 square meters. 3-story with roof deck on the 3rd floor for family activity. So now let's start the house tour. Alright, so this is your pedestrian entrance, and you have a pocket garden sa entrance ng bahay. This is the facade of the house. So 1st floor, 2nd floor, 3rd floor with roof deck, and yan yung road mo going outside papuntang main gate. Actually, sobrang lapit lang niya sa main gate. Meron ka pa ditong pocket garden ulit, and your pedestrian access, and all the way to the back of the house, meron kang access going to the service kitchen, and also may pocket garden, and meron kang parang lanay on this area. Alright? And there's also an access going to the living and dining area on that side. Papakita ko mamaya. But first, let's use this main entrance with fingerprint and also passcode, digital lock. Okay? Made of wood. Alright, so we are now inside the house. This is your living area. Very spacious. And meron na rin siya mga aircon. And that will be your access going to the back of the house. Okay. Ayan, papuntang likod. And your dining area on this side, and papuntang 2nd floor. You have aircon. This is the first room. This is actually a den, or pwede rin i-convert to an office. Okay. Cove, ceiling, may mga lighting fixtures na rin with aircon. Ayan, may aircon. So, punta tayo dito ulit. And there's another aircon sa inyong dining area. And this will be your kitchen, the main kitchen with the open bar. Meron na ring oven, may 3 burner, may range hood. Meron na rin siyang mga under counter and overhead cabinets. Okay. And merong another door going to the service kitchen. Meron siyang small kitchen here. And there's a door which is your access going to another service area. Yan. And meron siyang window papuntang service kitchen. And nandito naman yung maid's room sa likod ng bahay. Maid's room with own toilet and bath. Okay. And ito yung access mo palabas going to your pedestrian entrance. Alright. So balik tayo sa loob ng bahay. So another angle of the service kitchen, and another angle of the main kitchen. Okay. Napakaaliwalas ng bahay. Maluwag din yung living and dining area. And on this side is pwede ka pang maglagay ng storage dito. And this is your powder room. Yeah. And another angle of the living and dining area. Ngayon, papunta naman tayo sa taas. Solid wood stairs going to the second floor. Okay. So in here, this will be your family area. Meron na rin siyang mga cove, ceiling, and lighting fixtures. Maliwanag dahil merong window. And on this floor, on the second floor, we have 3 bedroom. So first is the master bedroom. You have modular cabinets. So this is your master bedroom. Meron na rin siyang mga cove ceiling with lighting fixtures. Meron na rin aircon and window. Actually, kahit walang ilaw during the daytime, maliwanag na siya. And this is your own toilet and bath. So may modular cabinet, may sink, mirror, hello, and also your shower with shower enclosure. Maluwag din. Okay, this is the master bedroom. Let's move to the second bedroom. Okay, so this is the second bedroom, maaliwalas. Ayan, meron siyang 2 windows. Meron na rin siyang modular cabinet and cove ceiling with lighting fixtures with aircon. Ang maganda sa lahat ng bedroom dito, meron na siyang toilet and bath. Lahat ng bedroom meron siyang toilet and bath. Ayan. Alright, this is the second bedroom. Next is the third bedroom. This is more of a kid's room. Meron na rin siyang aircon, split type, inverter. Meron na rin mga modular cabinet. And meron na rin siyang toilet and bath. Ayan. Okay. So this is the third bedroom. Another angle of the family area. Now let's go to the third floor. Papunta tayong third floor. So in here, merong open area for your family activity. Okay, first off, yung family area or yung activity area or kung ano man yung gagawin nyo dito, meron na siyang aircon, split type, cove ceiling, lighting fixtures, merong pantry. And by the way, lahat ng mga sink dito, meron siyang water heater. Lahat ng mga sink, meron ng water heater. And another powder room dito sa third floor. Ayan, ganyan siya kaluwag at kaaliwalas. And here, we have the fourth bedroom. So this house has a total of 4 plus 1 bedroom. So total of 5. Pero yung isa, yun yung office. So meron na siyang aircon, cabinet, and also your toilet and bath. So let's go to the roof deck. Sobrang liwanag. Kahit wala ng lighting. Oh. So So this is your roof deck. So from here, actually, kita mo dito yung BGC. Ayan o, yan yung mga building sa BGC. Okay. And ito naman yung neighbors natin dito. Ayan. And this will be your roof deck family activity. So give you another angle from another side. Ito. Yan. Alright. Perfect for family bonding. Pwede mag-celebrate ng birthdays. Ayan, dyan yung siya kaluwag. Oh. Ayan. And ito. Alright, so that's all for this house tour. And if you would like to inquire or if you would like to schedule for a house viewing, you can contact me using the number in the description of this video. Alright, thank you.